Fungus fried broccoli simple home-cooked dish. Simple is the most delicious.
Absolutely, it's so straightforward, doesn't require any technique, and it's both tasty and good for you. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. The ingredients are, of course, just broccoli and black fungus. Give the black fungus a good wash, cut away the hard bits at the base, and chop it into thin strips. The stems of black fungus have a tough and woody texture that remains difficult to chew and digest even after cooking. Moreover, their bitter taste can spoil the overall flavor of the dish. The ingredients are all ready. Put in the black fungus shreds and broccoli to stir fry until fragrant. Stir-frying broccoli and black fungus over high heat for 2 to 3 minutes achieves the perfect texture, keeping them crisp tender with a slight sear, whereas adding water to steam will quickly soften them and result in a loss of crispness. Seasoning: 1 tsp oyster sauce, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp mushroom powder. Add water if necessary. Covering the pan with a lid can soften the broccoli faster. And just add a teaspoon of sugar before taking it out of the pan. Reason to add sugar is to balance the saltiness and enhance the umami flavor, giving the dish a more complex taste profile. Also, to counteract any slight bitterness from the black fungus and to bring out the natural sweetness of the broccoli. Once the sauce has thickened, it's ready to be served. A common ratio is 1 part starch to 10 to 12 parts water. The starch and water must be thoroughly mixed in a bowl until smooth before drizzling into the pan. Transfer it to a plate, arrange the presentation to your liking, and then it's time to enjoy your meal. The shredded wood ear and broccoli make a stunning plate. By adding decorative carrot flowers around the broccoli, you instantly elevate it into a festive New Year's centerpiece. First off, they're a dynamite duo for gut health. Wood ear mushrooms are packed with dietary fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and aids your body's natural detox processes. Secondly, they're a powerhouse for iron. Wood ear is rich in iron, and the vitamin C from the broccoli team up to significantly boost how much of that iron your body can absorb. Third, this combo is a real boost for your immune system. Broccoli is famous for being a great source of vitamin C, which is key for strengthening your body's defenses. Fourth, it's a great help if you're watching your weight. Both are high in fiber and low in calories, so they'll keep you feeling full and satisfied without the guilt. And finally, think of them as a guardian for your blood vessels. Wood ear is known to help cleanse the blood, while the nutrients in broccoli support overall cardiovascular health. First, it's rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals. It's like putting an anti-rust coat on your skin, helping to delay aging and reduce wrinkles. Secondly, the vitamin C boosts collagen production. This helps maintain your skin's elasticity and firmness, making it look plump and youthful. Finally, their detoxifying and anti-inflammatory properties help cleanse your body from within. This reduces acne and inflammation from the inside out, giving you a clearer complexion. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.